Here we go. We can touch this, yeah? Okay. I mean, is this a real car?
Yeah.
This is, you can really take this down and put an engine in it. Is there?
There's no engine.
Okay, so there's no, but it's the frame then?
Yeah, it's a real chassis.
Wow, here's the Halo. So is this an authentic Halo? Is this?
Yeah, that's real.
So this is race ready?
Yeah.
Wow. So it can take how many pounds of force if it hits something?
Oh, it's thousands of kilos, isn't it?
Oh, look at that. Awesome. Cool, I really appreciate this, mate. Red Bull Trophy Case. Years of Champions. Look at that.
And beyond, yeah.
Look at that.
There's the Red Bull ring.
There you go, Red Bull ring. Okay.
A couple of weeks ago.
That one there. Oh, okay, let's turn it around. Oh, that's the one they recently won.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? I recognize from the telly, on the TV. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Jeez, man. I seen those, the Shell Cup. The Shell?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the Red Bull ring, the second one.
This one here?
Yeah.
Nice. Freaking awesome. This is like, wow. Here we are at the Red Bull factory. Me, Sean, and that there is Groovis. Matthew. Is this today's race?
Yeah, this is live.
So it's automatically playing then, which makes sense.
Yeah.
Here we are. All part of the team. Let's get that Red Bull fridge. So who came first, the Red Bull drink or the racing team?
Drink.
Nice.
It's our fastest pit stop of all 2019.
Oh, yeah.
And 2020 above.
Oh, is that the tire change piston?
That's
Wow.
the wheel gun, yeah.
Gee, look at that.
All of those, the shrouding for it is made on our machines
Okay.
and then sprayed up.
For coating of paint. Look at that wing. And the pods. Nice. If they win this year, where's the next trophy going?
Well, they'll make more cabinets. Those ones are all, the ones to the right are that 3D printers.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the ones you did?
We didn't make them, but they are 3D printers.
Wow. So is there like a celebration here when they're putting these trophies in? Because everyone's already touched them, kissed them, prayed on them, worshipped them.
If we have a race win, then after every race we'll debrief. And then we'll have champagne in the race base and
Okay.
a bit of a talk with it.
Yeah. Ginger ale. Ginger ale. No. The normal one. How about that? There we go. Gonna have a go at the racetrack today. On the virtual racetrack. Cheers.
What a drink to Friday, right? Drinking.
Yeah, one drink.
Best place to drink and drive?
Best lap time, 1:34.2.
Copy that.
Oh, I see us at the bar down at the bottom left. First, second, and third.